Hi guys, we're at Carlton on Trent level crossing Nottinghamshire with Joe and Gordon mine car. Focus flipping camera. Sick of it doing that. Look at it. There we go. The time is 20:03 on Saturday the 7th of November 2004. I was delayed 1953, 1 Delta 27 Virgin train service from Lucas Cross escaped and expected past 20:05.
There we go. This is for our delayed 1953, 1 Delta 27 Virgin train service from Lucas Cross to Skipton. Expected past 20:05, which is 20:03 right now. And Joe's going to help me with the number in case I slip up.
Yep.
Because I'm not sure if I might get numbers on trains when it's dark like this.
Sometimes it's easy, unless because some crossings, when the light's shining down the track, like it is here, you'll see the number gliding away. Yep, here she is.
Oh.
Don't need that red signal. See that light?
Oh, yep, here she is.
Not the crossing, not the overhead floodlight. The crossing light. That's Cromwell Lane down there. What sort of music are they listening to in that car?
I don't know.
That's their Dagenham barriers there.
It's XPX
Rail Systems Dagenham.
Yeah.
Do you know where Romford is?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Essex.
Where's Dagenham?
Same sort of.
But there she is. I can see her headlights.
I see fireworks as well.
Oh, spark.
This is a 91 that you can see.
Yep, and another spark. Another spark.
What sort of music are they listening to in that car?
I don't know. Right, I've got.
Listen. It's weird, isn't it? Got. 212 to Edinburgh.
To
Skipton. And we're up the go.
You won't be confused on that. Let's go to the next video. Alright, let's go.
Guys, next video.